Welcome back to the Build Show. I'm Travis Brungardt, and this week I want to talk to you about a better pocket door. If you've watched my content for a long time, you've seen that I will often try to design out pocket doors for my assemblies because of the maintenance issues that they can potentially add and the sound travel, things of that nature, the inconvenience, frankly, of that operation versus a simple hinge door. I've always worked away from those, but I really didn't need to do that. I just needed to find a better pocket door. So let me show you what makes a good pocket door in this episode, sponsored by Electricians. Check it out. So when we talk about what makes a good pocket door, there's a few things that are key. You want a really robust frame. Electricians made up a really simple assembly despite a very robust, strong metal frame that snaps together in minutes and then is installed with some screws for a permanent adjustment-free install. So that's the first point. If we're gonna talk about pocket doors being problematic because they go out of adjustment, the Electricians doors are very easy to adjust and the installation is extremely robust and rigid. So that solves that right away. The other issue is that as an electrician, I find not having a place for my boxes and wires because I have to have a place for doors to travel really problematic. And the folks at Electricians solve that as well by offering the luce channel, which is a shallow metal pan that allows us to place our wiring down into the same cavity that the door will travel and leaves room for a switch box. And that's a big win for us, especially in bathrooms like this, where the first thing you do when you walk in is turn on the light and there's not a huge amount of wall space, and this is a shower. So having those two things solved right out of the gate is a huge win. The next thing is that we usually have an issue with sound transfer. I talked about this being a bathroom. When we're working with a pocket door system, you're gonna get air movement around that door. It's a hollow cavity. I can't insulate this wall for sound travel. But again, the folks at Electricians came up with a solution for that with a profile in the jamb that they provide. So this jamb stock, the jamb extensions, and all of what I need to complete this install is provided by the manufacturer. And it comes with these clever slots, which allow me to install their manufactured weather strip so that we don't have that sound transfer right around the doors. When these doors are closed, we're offering very similar performance to what we get out of a regular wall. And that is a massive upgrade. So with the pre-manufactured jamb that allows for a really nice finish, because if you've seen poorly installed pocket doors, you've seen someone just put in a slab of jamb and the door lands on it and it doesn't have a place to nest. So there isn't a place for that sound to be broken up by that cool weather strip. So from soft open to soft close, that's what you get when you use a better pocket door. And that's what they provide at Electricians. That's all I've got for you this week on The Build Show. I'm Travis Brungardt. Thanks for watching.